I wanna tell about the Kaggle competition. It is analogous to the previous Kaggle competition that you should have seen for classification. In this particular Kaggle competition, we are interested in detecting mosquitoes. So what we are giving you is basically we have a directories of test and train. The train images have almost around 9,000 images with us. Just give me a minute, let me try to reload if I can. Alright, so yeah. Just a minute. So the first thing we wanted to show is we were having a train images. So that the training directory, sorry, the training folder would be having a bunch of images and their respective labels in text files. You must be having all the information about the boxes inside these text files, and you'll have their respective images mentioned over here. So the image name and the text file name would be same. You'll be having mosquito in each image. Your goal further is to train a detector model to identify mosquito. That's the first thing. The second thing is about identifying which kind of mosquito. We have 6 different kinds of mosquito, so you should be able to classify the mosquito. You have to localize, you have to do the task of localization, that is basically detecting the where is the mosquito present in the image. So we have the train set for your training purpose. We have test set as well. The test set does consists of only images but not the labels, because this is what we evaluate your model on. So what you need to do is you have to train your own model, and then once train your own model on the training set, we request you to take your train model, you test on all the images you have with you, I mean like given in the test file. Basically once you have done the testing, you should save in a proper CSV file with image ID, classification, confidence threshold, and its respective box information as well. You should we have attached a sample submission file, so you can take a look about it, and then once this submission file is uploaded to the leaderboard session, I mean like to the portal, we would evaluate basically in terms of M.Khapra score, and the leaderboard rankings are based on top of the M.Khapra scores basically. Yeah.